how to convert gray hair to black naturally using one kitchen ingredient. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 2 bags of tea powder, 1 cup of water, Now, put all the ingredients in a low flame until boiling. Now, massage your hair with this mixture and leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wash it off by a cool water. Note: don't use shampoo to wash your hair. And for best results, use this recipe once a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us. And we are waiting for your feedback and comments.